At this intersection, it's been pouring rain since last night till this morning.
It's raining so hard. How lucky, I got away in time.
The tunnel is flooded. Should I go down there? Oh no, my car is sinking. Someone help me.
The rescue team is here.
Thanks for saving me.
Everyone, please stop your vehicles.
What happened?
This is a mess.
I need to drain this tunnel quickly. A lot of water is getting sucked into the truck.
How to build the water suction truck. Step 1. Build the truck body. First, I'm going to build the rear chassis, the motor, the wheel. Now, I'll build the front chassis. Connect the two chassis. These front wheels can help the truck steer left and right. Connect to the battery box. Next, I'll build the cabin. Step 2. Build the water suction tank. Plastic water bottle. Plastic tube. Testing. Bowl of water. Let's see how it sucks up water.
Just a little water left in the tunnel. I need to go down there.
After multiple rounds of suction, the water in the tunnel has gone down a lot.
Let's keep sucking up water.
Before. After.
The tunnel has been drained completely.
Everyone can pass through it now.
Welcome to the Lego farm.
See you later. The crops need water. What now? 2. Set up a water pump. Now, let's build the water pump.
How to build the water pump. Step 1. Build the pump impeller. Add the pipe. Step 2. Build the gear pump. Add the gears. Add the energies. Add the battery box. Step 3. Build the water trough. Add drainage spouts. Place the water pump into the water tank. Place more water pump into the other one. Connect water ducts between the two water tanks. Insert the plastic pipe into the pump. Let's see how it works. Wow! Water begins to flow from the plastic pipes into water ducts. Water is flowing into the garden. The garden is bursting with a wide variety of vegetables and fruits.
The garden is brimming with ripe vegetables. How should we proceed? 3. Harvest everything and sell them immediately.
We need to add some conveyors.
I'm here to buy your best produce. What will you sell me today?
1. Sure, take all the ripe ones now.
Horizontal conveyor belts running.
The produce is ready to buy.
Farm's busy. Could use more hands.
It seems like your horses are out of water. What will you do?
1. Refill the trough with fresh water immediately.
Trough's bone dry. Need to refill it soon. Lead 3 water ducts from the tank to the trough. Water flows into the trough. Flowing water fills the trough. Horse eagerly drinks. Garden's getting a good soak, primed for the upcoming planting.
The aquarium is really beautiful. It's definitely going to get a lot of like. Beautiful aquarium. What the hell is going on?
The fish tank looks awful.
Delete the photo.
It looks terrible.
Damn it.
Aquarium fish shop.
Welcome, sir. Let me introduce you to some products. This is the most modern type, compact design, and can be controlled on, off with a remote.
I need one that hold water inside.
How about this, sir?
It's too small to raise fish in.
Wait a moment, I'll do it for you.
How to build the aquarium bedside lamp. Step 1. Build the water pump. Build the propellers. Add the water pipe. Add the engine and more. Add the case. Testing. Step 2. Build the lamp. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add fishes and more. Great, I'm done.
Wow!
Hey Alex, I just made it for you. Let's fill the water into it.
Wow! Wow!
Well, this is exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad that you liked it. The lamp cost $1,000.
I already have beautiful photos to post. I don't want to buy it. Bye.
Damn it, I've been tricked.
Aquarium bedside lamp.
The lamp is really beautiful.
How much do I must to pay to own it?
Fool.
Oh my gosh, I'm late. It's too hard. I need a toothpaste squeezer.
How to build a toothpaste squeezer. Step 1. Build the squeezer part. It is combined by many gears. Install the gears. Step 2. Build the frame. Add the engine. Step 3. Complete. Add the rubber band. And more. Add the battery. Testing the machine. Perfect. Testing with the ketchup packets.
The ketchup package is easily squeezed. Wow.
It's so gross.
Success. Testing with the mustard tube.
The mustard tube is being sucked into the machine.
Oh yeah!
It looks so spicy.
The machine worked well. Success.
Aha!
Hurry up, I need to get to work now. The toothpaste is squeezed out of the tube so easily.
Here you go, Andy.
Finally, I can brush my teeth.
Meanwhile,
What happened?
Huh? Oh my god!
Make it stop.
Andy, where are you?
Oh no, I'm already late.
Hamster trap.
I'm so hungry. Here I go. I must find it. Oh no! Ouch!
The saw blades trap. How to build the saw blades trap. Step 1. Build the base. Step 2. Build chains of saw blades. Add the saw blades. Add the gears. Add the engine. Step 3. Complete assembly. Testing with a sausage. Testing with a bread.
This is too hard. Let's try again. Ouch, ouch. Let's see what's on here. That looks dangerous. I need to be careful. This is gross.
There's the elevator.
I wonder what lies ahead.
How to build the spinning disc trap. Step 1. Build the spinning disc. Step 2. Build the cover. Testing with balls.
This is making me dizzy. One step at a time.
The retract plank strap. How to build the retract plank strap. Step 1. Build a retract plank. Step 2. Connect. Step 3. Build the wall.
Oh my God! I can do this! 1, 2, 3, 4!
To be continued.
Hey, hey, yeah!
We found the virus. Let's transport this virus to the lab for research.
Huh?
What noise? Oh no!
Huh?
My arm is changing. Stop it.
Alex, what happened?
How to become a zombie long arms. Experiment. Fire snake. Pour 20 grams of sugar and 5 grams of baking soda into the bowl. Mixing machine. How to build the mixing machine. Build the handle. Build the stirring rod. Connect stirring rods to handle. Add the engine. Add the battery box. Testing. Raw egg. Success. Slime. Success. Let's mix them up. Now, we'll need some sand. Add some ethanol to the sand. Add the sugar and baking soda mixture. Let's see what they create. It's very hot. Let's be careful. Sucrose burns with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water.
Wow!
This is the main component of our zombie virus. The experiment succeeded.